All right, I'm doing an unboxing of the air fryer. This is the Dash air fryer right here. I'm just gonna unbox it, pull it out of the package. I'm gonna leave a description, and the description part of the page, I'm gonna leave a link to where you can find this air fryer, Dash air fryer. Pull it on out. Yeah, the Dash. There it is. This is the air fryer that comes right in here. It's taped and everything on here. And there's instructions right here that I'm gonna read through. I'm gonna go sit on the toilet or something. And I'm just gonna go through it right here. Right here, it just has the temperature. You can go all the way up to 400 degrees. Right there. And then there's the timer right here. Let me just open this up right here, this bad boy. Gonna open that up, and that's where the stuff goes down in there. And it comes out actually, so it's a drip tray and you can actually clean it. So that's very beneficial. Gonna get started and use this thing. It's pretty cool, air fryer. Let me know if you have any questions. Check the description part of the page for more information. All right.